The Jubilee Party took its campaigns to Kasarani constituency in Nairobi County, and at Maji Mazuri grounds in Mwiki, Deputy President William Ruto led other Jubilee elected leaders in castigating the National Super Alliance over the continual threat to boycott the October 17th presidential elections unless changes are made at the IEBC.
They want IEBC commissioners removed. They want the secretariat to be removed. They do not want the printer of ballot papers. They do not want the supplier of technology. And yet they want to pretend that they want to participate in an election. How is an election going to be possible without commissioners, without the secretariat, without the ballot papers, without the supply of technology? Is it possible?
Kama wewe umeleta vitisho ya kukataa kwenda uchaguzi, na mimi Duale na kuambia leo, wewe pia ujipange, tuko tayari kuapisha Uhuru Kenyatta kwa muhula ya pili. Kenya ina serikali, kiongozi ni Uhuru Kenyatta, and the state institutions are working within the framework of the constitution.
The leaders told Nassarov on their stand about the IEBC, warning them against imagining that they will bully Wafula Chebukati's team as they did with the previous commission.
Tunasema lazima na Chebukati na commissioners wake, ukitaka kutoa gulie ama molu ama mfanyikazi wowote, utapitia sheria, kanuni ya sheria. Huwezi kupeleka maandamano IEBC kutoa wa commissioners. Ukipeleka maandamano IEBC, Sonko pia atapeleka maandamano.
Tarehe 17 wananchi wa Nairobi na Kenya mzima watapiga kura. Tutachagua rais. Tutaapisha rais. Wewe leta nyokonyoko, baada hapo tutakuonesha kuna serikali. Unajua hata kanjo wangu si wako na tear gas.
Mtu asituambie ati hakutakuwa na uchaguzi ati kwa sababu amepanga fujo na mauaji na kumwaga damu ati Kenya hii isifanyike uchaguzi. That is unacceptable, my friend. Haiwezekani.
The Deputy President further claimed that NASA plans to throw the country into chaos in order to ascend to power.
When our competitors say that it is not that they want to boycott the election, that there will be no election in Kenya, what are they telling us? There can only be two ways where there will be no election in Kenya. Either there will be a coup, or there will be violence and chaos. That is the only two options that are available to us. Tumwambie bwana Raila Odinga hatutakubali ya kwamba atalete fujo na mauaji na kumwaga damu katika taifa letu la Kenya. Hiyo haiwezekani, my friend.
Reminding their supporters of the agony meted on them by the Supreme Court decision to nullify Uhuru Kenyatta's victory, the leaders appealed for an improved voter turnout in order to cement their superiority.
Sisi ndio tulishinda, sisi ndio tumeibiwa, tukanyang'anywa na koti. Sio hao walinyang'anywa. They should stop playing victim and taking Kenyans for fools. Sisi ndio tumedhulumiwa kama Jubilee.
Ruto maintains that even though they respected the Supreme Court decision, that did not bar them from expressing their displeasure at what they termed as a civil coup executed by the Supreme Court judges. Deputy President William Ruto has once again led the Jubilee Brigade in dismissing NASA as an outfit that lacks in content, form, focus and strategy, saying it's an outfit whose only agenda is to cause violence, destruction and bloodshed. Shadrack Miti, KTN News.